Hello guys, you're welcome back. Between Roksie, Doublechris, Jaykech and Iykeresa, whose wedding can't you wait to attend? Ever since the ultimate love season 1 ended, Nigeria seems not to get over with the housemates and their love story. Many Nigerians have taken to their respective social media accounts and dropped things they learned from the reality show that have impacted their love life positively. Some of the housemates has indirectly become a role model to most Nigerians with the way they carry themselves and also exhibit love. Housemates like Rosie has impacted positively on single mothers and also educating them to understand that no matter what happens, there's still true love outside there, and a man is waiting patiently to love you unconditionally. The recent question now is, who among the housemates of the just concluded TV reality show would be the one to wed first? Many predictions have been made based on the way their lives are going at the moment, despite the lockdown and what the world is facing currently, which has hindered some of their potentials. But in all, they still have means of reaching out to their fans and entertain them with lovely love quotes and photos. So between that's Roksie, Doublechris, Jaykech and Iykeresa, whose wedding can't you wait to attend? It's very difficult to answer this because the above mentioned couples are among the trending housemates since the end of the show. But the most annoying thing is that none of them is talking about marriage. But in all, we still have to keep our fingers crossed, get prepared and patiently wait for them to make the announcements. Before you answer the question of which among the housemates can't you wait to attend their wedding, kindly take a look at a few of their love stories ever since they left the love show. Roksie is the couple name for Rosie and Kachi, the winner of Ultimate Love Season 1 and so far the most stalked housemates of the show. They are the only couple or housemates who are engaged at the moment and still waxing strong with their love life. Chris and chrisville, whom their couple name is Doublechris, are also among the trending ex-housemates of the show that won't allow their fans to stay a day without flooding their timelines with amazing photos. They are yet to say anything about marriage or wedding, but they have lots of plans together. Jaykech, which is Jay and Nkechi, are busy sharing couple photos daily on the internet with lots of promises for each other, but the word wedding and marriage are yet to fall off their mouths. However, they are doing perfectly unlike when they were in the love pad. And lastly, Iykeresa. Iykeresa is a couple name for Ike and Teresa. They are illegally married to each other. This is because Teresa is already living with Ike family without waiting for things to be done accordingly. They are yet to say anything about marriage, but their fans are still waiting patiently for them. Now that you've gotten to know a few things about their journey so far, kindly use the comment box and tell us whose wedding you can't wait to attend. Okay guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.